tip how to install B at the very last section in extension or main. So it basically slides inside. So what you can do, you can slide it all the way up or all the way down. So you can slide panels up and down. So you can install it at the top and slide all the way down. And another thing, I want to show you how to install extensions. So this is common mistake. The T shape is go on the side where the greenhouse, the next extension is going to, and that's what it should look like this. And I'll show you at the top as well. This is what the top look like. That's the existing one, and that's the extension. So you can pause it. Okay.